How to make money online. Top strategies and tips. Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to today. We're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to make money online. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or even replace your 9-to-5 job, the online world offers countless opportunities. In this video, I'll be sharing some proven strategies and essential tips to help you get started on your journey to online success. So, let's jump right in. Section 1. Freelancing and remote work. Our first strategy revolves around freelancing and remote work. This option is perfect for those who possess skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management. Highlight the importance of a strong online portfolio. Discuss popular freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Emphasize the need for consistent communication and delivering quality work. Section 2. E-commerce and dropshipping. Next up, we have the world of e-commerce and dropshipping. This method involves selling physical or digital products online without the need for inventory. Explain the concept of dropshipping and its benefits. Mention platforms like Shopify for creating your online store. Discuss the importance of niche selection and product research. Offer tips on effective marketing strategies, such as social media ads and influencer collaborations. Section 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to make money online, and it's all about promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. Define affiliate marketing and its working principle. Suggest joining affiliate programs of products, services relevant to your niche. Discuss content creation methods like product reviews, tutorials, and comparison articles. Highlight the significance of authenticity and honesty in affiliate marketing. Section 4. Online content creation. For those with a passion for content creation, this strategy could be your golden ticket. Whether it's blogging, vlogging, or podcasting, sharing valuable content can lead to various monetization opportunities. Discuss different content formats, such as written blogs, YouTube videos, and podcasts. Emphasize the importance of consistency in posting content. Mention monetization options like Google AdSense, sponsorships, and Patreon. Offer tips on finding your unique voice and catering to your target audience. Section 5. Online courses and digital products. If you're knowledgeable in a specific field, why not create and sell online courses or digital products? This strategy combines your expertise with the power of online education. Talk about the rising demand for online learning and courses. Mention platforms like Udemy and Teachable for hosting your courses. Explain the process of creating high-quality course content. Encourage the use of engaging visuals and interactive elements. So there you have it, folks. 5 powerful strategies to start making money online. Remember, success in the online world takes time, effort, and dedication. Choose a strategy that aligns with your skills and interests, and don't be afraid to experiment and learn along the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. As always, stay inspired and keep hustling. Until next time, take care.